Hello everybody, in today's video we'll be taking a look at my homemade scorpion action figure. Let's get started. Look at his details first. So he has a basic body down, all muscles sculpted, and there are some horizontal lines all over his suit as per the comic design, and that's his stinger that it's famous for. Now this stinger has a gimmick. It actually shoots this projectile out, which I'll demonstrate a bit later. I've given this figure an expression. It's a little angry, as you can see right there. So let's take a closer look at his feature. Alright, so as I said, this tail has a shooting feature to it. So let's take a look at that. So there's a small button right there. When you press this, the stinger fires out. Show that to you right now. That didn't go. Right there. Let's try that again. This is the projectile. So it basically just locks in tail here. When you press this, it shoots it out. Right, let's take a closer look at its posability. So he can rotate his head, can hinge up and down. Arms can hinge in and out. They can rotate too. They can rotate at the forearm. They can hinge the elbow. There's a wrist rotation. There's a ball joint in the torso, so you can get all sorts of motion from that. There are T-jointed hips, so they can go in front till there and hinge all the way out at the side. And there's a single hinge in the knee and rotation in the knee too. Hinge in the ankle and pivot. The tails are also articulated. It has a ball joint right here, just goes in there, and it has a wire, so it's fully posable. Here's Scorpion compared to the Spiderman figure I made. They are in scale, both of them are in the 4-inch scale. That's nice. They look really good together, and I'm really happy the way Scorpion turned out.